In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome. If you're tired of that bright white glare and want a cleaner, low-strain browsing experience, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, without any fluff. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the Chrome window itself, not another app, so the options we're about to use are visible. Next, look to the very top right corner of the browser window for the three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu. Click those dots to open the menu. You'll see a list of options that control your browser's tools and preferences. From that menu, click on Settings. When you do, Chrome will open a new Settings tab in your current window. Don't worry if the layout looks a little different depending on your version of Chrome. The option we need is the same. In the Settings tab, find the section called Appearance. This is where you control how Chrome looks and feels. Click Appearance to open it. Within Appearance, look for the theme or mode options. You'll see choices for how Chrome displays its interface. Select the option labeled Dark to turn on dark mode. As soon as you click Dark, the change is immediate. You'll notice the browser's interface, tabs, toolbar, menus, and the settings page itself switch to a darker color scheme. This applies across all open tabs in Google Chrome, so you don't need to refresh anything. The setting also saves automatically, so the next time you open Chrome, it will still be in dark mode without you having to change it again. If you decide you prefer the original look, you can switch back at any time by returning to the same place in Settings, opening Appearance, and choosing Light instead. You can move between these options whenever you like, and the change takes effect right away. A quick tip: dark mode mostly affects Chrome's interface. Some websites also support dark themes and may adjust automatically, while others might not. That's normal and depends on the site itself. The important thing is that your browser Chrome, your tabs, menus, and toolbars will stay dark for a more comfortable, consistent experience. And that's it. Open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Settings, choose Appearance, and select Dark. Simple, fast, and easy on the eyes.